So you went to chalk.com, you logged in, you got the calendar that I posted for you, the A/B switch, everything's looking fine here, but you don't have classes. So let's fix this. Things first, we go to this little hamburger, the three lines here, and we will go to our subjects. We need to add up our subjects. I just did these, and so it's add a new prep, and inside each prep, you add in all of the sections for that particular subject you teach. Is fun, completely optional. Linking your curriculum map is important, but we'll come back to that. That's not what we're working on right now. What we need to do, however, is timetable. That will get it for you to show up on your curriculum map. Fun tangent about the timetable. Right now, in our semester, we have the entire school year. If you teach, it's called a semester. It's a misnomer. It's like block of time for chalk.com to understand things. So we, in our quote-unquote semester, have the entire length of the school year. When you want to take your classes off, so if I went over to Planboard, and let's say if I went to January, I shouldn't see some of my semester classes over there. So come December, what was going to happen once I get to Christmas break, I'm going to go back to my timetable and remove the classes that were added. And that will remove them, and I will no longer see them in January. I will see the new ones. But historically, it doesn't change things retroactively. So I'll still see the historical record of my classes there. But in order to make the semester changeover, we go back to this timetable. Timetable is pretty easy for us. Tuesday, Thursday is a day A, and Wednesday, Friday is a day B. And all I need to do is look up at my daily schedule and say the typical day for Wednesday, Friday is okay. So let me see here. F block is going to be the second period. Okay, so second period is 9:50 to 11:05. 9:50 to 11:05. And so I'll say, okay, this is day 2, and 9:50 to 11:05. Okay, got one added. Got the other ones added too, and now I will press save. And just like that, they will now appear on my Planboard. So I'll go back to Planboard, switch to a week view, and now I can see them and they're ready for my classes. Now I can start assigning them to units. But I don't see the units that I have done in my curriculum map. So let's go back there, and I will go to my subjects, and I will connect my curriculum map. Yep, just like here, curriculum map. And it will only see published versions of your curriculum map. So if you've never published it, there's just a simple publish button. The only purpose of the publish button is to make it available here. I can just search by my initials, AP Computer Science. Here it is, linked up. Now if I republish it, it will connect again. I'm going to set it here, and that way it'll overlap my pacing guide. So there we go. And same thing here, DXA, and intro to programming. I've changed the title of the class, so I need to update the curriculum map as well. That's not a big deal. I'll select the starting date, and there we are. And the last one as well, same thing. You get the idea here. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Just for the peace of mind, once I save this, if I go back here to Planboard, you will now see the units are assigned. So now I can, if I went to the unit view and went to AP Computer Science, I have not yet started planning any lessons, but I can already see my pacing guide on how this works out. Well, at least you'd think so, but then I have Unit 1, Unit 2, and it goes right up to Unit 6. I'm going to have to talk to someone about this, because that's some weird order right there.